Hey, so I had been out this weekend, so I had bought a bunch of meats. That's what I can eat. So I went to KwikTrip. They're the best. I got some bacon wrapped chicken breast, some pork loin chops, and 2 little steaks. So these are like 3 meals right there. But KwikTrip's good for that. And then for sides, I got potatoes. So, and then I got my little cooker. So now we're gonna cook this meal, and then we're gonna work out. But I just want to start the meal first. So first, we're gonna cook a potato, because the potatoes take longer to cook than the actual meat. Meat doesn't take long at all, but we're gonna cook a potato. Plug it in, and it's cooking. I'm gonna wait for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna put the meat in. Okay, so now we got our meat in the pan. We got our garlic pepper seasoning that we picked up from the KwikTrip, and I'm just gonna sprinkle this on generously. Very simple. Just like that. Flip them over. Come on now. Here we go, the other side. Put it on some more. It's all over. Come on, flippers. Flip around. Well, one more time. It's gonna be very seasoned here. Bring it over to our cooker here. Potatoes should be nicely cooked. We'll cook this in here, just like that. And I'll put the potato on top right here, and the potato will keep cooking. Yeah, and we'll let it cook for another 30-45 minutes and check on it. Okay, so here we are. Should be ready now. Smoky. You see it? Look at that. Very simple meal. Yeah, potatoes done. Meat's done. Just very simple. Meat and potatoes. I know. That's not hard, but it's simple and easy. Yeah. So, cool. I'm gonna eat now. So, yum, yum, yum. Bye.